Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create CSV tables in Power Automate Flow. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the automation tools and features available in Power Automate. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look at the left side of your screen and click on Create. This option opens up various flow templates and creation methods that you can use to build your automation from scratch. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect when you want to trigger automations manually or on demand, giving you full control over when the process runs. A window will pop up asking you to configure some initial settings. For now, simply click Skip to bypass this setup and move directly to the Flow Builder where you can customize everything manually. Once you're in the Flow Builder, click on Add a Trigger. This is the starting point of your automation and determines how the flow will be initiated. In the search bar that appears, type manually trigger a flow and click on it when it shows up. This trigger allows you to run the flow whenever you need it with just a click. Now it's time to add your first action. Click the plus icon to add an action to your flow. In the search field, type initialize variable and click on it. This action is crucial because it allows you to store data that you'll use later in the automation. Give your variable a meaningful name so you can easily identify it later. Then click on the Type drop-down menu and choose Array from the list. Arrays are useful for storing multiple values or structured data, which is exactly what you'll need for creating a CSV table. Next, in the Value field, paste your array data. This is the content that will eventually be converted into a CSV format. Make sure your data is properly formatted as an array to avoid any errors during the conversion process. After setting up your variable, click the plus icon again to add another action. This time, click on Data Operation from the available options. Data operations in Power Automate provide powerful tools for manipulating and transforming data in various ways. From the Data Operation options, click on Create CSV Table. This action will take your array data and convert it into a CSV format, making it easy to export or use in other applications. Now click on the From field and then click the thunder icon to open the Dynamic Content menu. From here, select the variable you created earlier. This tells the flow to use your array data as the source for the CSV table. To customize how your CSV table is structured, click on Advanced Parameters and select Columns from the dropdown. This gives you control over how the data fields are organized in your table. In the column field, set it to Automatic. This allows Power Automate to automatically detect and map the columns based on your array structure, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. With everything configured, you can now save your flow by clicking the Save button. Once saved, you're ready to run your automation and see it in action. Your CSV table will be generated based on the array data you provided. And that's it. You've successfully created a CSV table in Power Automate Flow. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.